Hi everybody, this is Karen from Moonflowerstudio and I'm so happy you're with me today. Thank you for watching my channel. Please like and subscribe if you like my content. I decided to make some Procreate brushes in the style of Ukrainian eggs. I made 57 brushes, and the reason I did this is because I actually love Ukrainian eggs. I used to make them all the time when we were kids. My grandparents were from Czechoslovakia and Poland, and they showed us how to make these. And every time we had Lent, my siblings and I, there were 5 of us, would have a contest and to see who would make the most beautiful eggs. So you would have a kiska, and you would dip it in, you would heat it up under a candle, and then you would dip it in beeswax, and then you would draw all over the egg, and you would start with yellow. After that dried, you would dip it in yellow, then you would do it again, you dip it in orange, and then you would dip it, keep going until you went to green, black, whatever colors you wanted to do. Black was your last color. So then you would take the egg, and then you would heat it up, and you gently take off all of that wax, and you would reveal this absolutely gorgeous egg, and it would sit there and everybody would be so proud of them. But I love it so much, and I actually started this maybe in December. So here it is, almost Easter, and I haven't put them out yet. And they're very easy to use. All you have to do is make a square in Procreate, maybe 10 by 10 inches. I keep at 300 dpi because I feel, if you want to use it for print later, you want to have a higher resolution. So you take one of the brushes that looks like an egg that's filled in, and you just drop it in the middle and center it the best you can. And then you make another layer on top, create a clipping path on top of that, and then take your white and just find the brushes you want. So I have some shapes there that are the shape of an egg. I have shapes of like pearls. I have shapes like a ladder, and you can take some of those brushes and turn them into a circle, and just keep going. You just have to, I would create a new layer every time you lay down a new design. This way you'll have a lot of layers, but if you don't like something, you can delete it, or you can move it around the way you want to move it. But it's so much fun, and I'm so happy the way these came out. I spent a lot of time on it, and I'm hoping that you will like it too. So when you're happy with all of the layers you made that are in white, and you really love the way it looks, you moved everything around so it's perfect and it's fitting on your egg perfectly, then just merge all those white layers together. And after that, you're good to go to color it in. So to make my perfect circles, or to make it look like an egg shape, if I take one of my brushes and I actually create a circle by drawing in a circle, and then you'll see that prompt come up, the shape builder thing that says circle or ellipse. You would hit the ellipse, and then you would go back to your selection and hit uniform to move it around, but then hit warp after that to just push the edges of that oval around the egg shape. And you could just keep moving things around until you get it just right. So I kind of sped this part up a little bit because it's kind of boring to watch, but take your time and enjoy the process. have done probably a dozen of these eggs, and I'm having so much fun with them. They're coming out really beautiful. There's endless ways to create an egg, and I actually can't wait to see what you do. So if you want to share, I'll put like a hashtag or something where you could share your designs, and I would love to see what you do. It makes me happy when I see other people like my products and enjoying my art and having fun and learning a lot. So I will put in the description how to share that with me, and I will also share with you in the description where to purchase these brushes. And thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video.